So hello everyone, today's vlog is going to be very interesting and very informative also, because today I am going to take you to the store where we can find really good like series of helmets over there, different brands. For me, the most important thing is your safety. Yeah, for any rider the bike is not at all safe. आप कोई सा भी बाइक ले लीजिए, भले वो एक सुपर बाइक हो या एक नॉर्मल स्प्लेंडर प्लस हो, एक बार आप 20-30 के ऊपर चलने लग जाते हैं स्पीड के, and it becomes dangerous for you. Yeah, because any kind of accidents can turn into a very fatal one also. So we can't predict that this accident might not need a helmet or this might need a helmet, so we don't know all those. Yeah, so today we are going to talk about the safety, and we'll go through different brands of helmets and the price range also, and we'll see what particular things are available in the nearby market. So hello everyone, I am at Bikers Hub right now.
Don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to
Here
stay.
they have varieties of helmets here, and I'm just going to talk to Pranav, and he'll explain you all the varieties of helmet he's having, along with the safety measures and the standards that these companies provide you. Yeah. So Pranav, what all options we get here at your store?
Yeah, so we are the only store in AP to have Bilmola helmets in our store. So the specialty of Bilmola helmets is the weight distribution of the shell is evenly distributed. So no part of your neck takes the stress totally, and the aerodynamic efficiency of the helmet as such is pretty good. And there are two models in Bilmola. One is the Nex and one is Rapid. This is the Nex. So this comes with a single visor and it comes with a double D-ring locking system.
Yeah, these days people are also looking for double D-ring mostly.
Correct,
No?
because double D-ring are a lot safer, because in case of an accident, double D-ring won't open, but there are chances that a ratchet system might fail, but the chances are very less. So this is the other model by Bilmola. This is a dual visor helmet. This is the Nex, and it comes with a sun visor. So Bilmola helmets, when compared to other brands like say MT or SMK or Archer, you can feel it that they are pretty well balanced when it comes to weight. There is no unbalance in terms of weight, and it's a very light helmet, easy to use, no stress on the neck. And the next helmet series we have is from SNK. SNK is a very old, renowned brand. It's based out of Italy, but it's made in India, made by Studs, and 90% of these helmets are of export quality and they're exported to other countries. Only 10% of helmets manufactured by SNK land up in India, and this is the SNK Twister. This also comes with a sun visor. It comes with a ECER 22.05 rating. These are all twisters. This one is the Stella, SNK Stella. It's a single visor starting range helmet by SNK. Comes at 3800. Same ECER 22.05 rating. We have lots of colors, lots of graphic options, lots of sizes.
And Pranav, like people generally want to know, like while buying a helmet, what is the main thing they should focus on? You know?
So the first thing and foremost thing that I would recommend is go to a store, check your size, wear it, perfect the fit. If you feel comfortable in it, only then buy it. Because a helmet is not something that you buy every year or every 6 months, or you change it just because you want to. It's a one-time investment, and do not compromise on what you buy. Research a bit and see what kind of shell suits your face or your skull shape, and then go for it.
Okay, so according to you, what will be a good certified helmet? No?
See, helmets range right from 3,500 to 1,45,000. So it depends on budget. It depends on what kind of bike you're riding. Because it determines how much speed you can crash at. For example, if you're riding say a NS200 or an RS200, at the most you would be crashing at the max speed, which is close to 150, 155. So you can look at, see, the easy way of doing it is, for example, if you bought a bike worth say 2 lakh rupees. What is the budget of helmet do you put? How much budget will you put?
See, I'll definitely go for like at least, you know, say 5% of it,
So 5% of is
Like-
close to 10,000.
10,000 somewhere.
So if you're investing 10,000 only on helmet, won't you buy a jacket?
Yeah, definitely.
Won't you buy gloves?
See, according to me, I guess on safety, like on our safety, we should at least spend 20% of the bike's amount.
If you take say like 15% of the total amount you spent on your bike, it comes approx to 30,000 rupees.
Yeah.
So in 30,000 rupees, you will have to justify all your gear. So a good helmet with ECR 22.05 rating starts at 3,500. So if you buy a 3,500 rupee of a helmet, you are sure to know that you get a good crash rating and you might survive it. But you know, circumstances, situations, but still you can have that confidence in you. So if you're buying like say a super sport, you might as well go for a AGV Pista GP.
Okay, so Pranav, if anyone comes to your store here, so what are the variety of like, you know, options he's going to get here? In the case of helmets, like, because you have already shown us two kinds of helmets here.
Yes.
What other helmets are going to come? You're like, you know, you might have kept an order for.
We have been seeing a huge potential in Vizag youth. They are coming forward and they want to take up biking as a hobby, as a passion. So we are trying to bring in few premium helmets, say like Bell and HJC. We'll be bringing in the entry level HJC and Bell helmets. They start at 7,500, 9,000 Bell qualifiers, and you can hope to see them in our store in say a month or so. The other helmet we have is by Axer.
Yeah, these days Axer is actually very famous because it is the one who is giving competition to, you know, like MT also.
Correct, because most of the people don't know, but there's a model in Axer called the Axer Stealth, and it uses the same shell that is used in MT blade. So the shell manufacturer for MT blade and the Axer Stealth is same, and the shells are made in China. You can find the Axer to be a little heavy, and the balance might not be that accurate because it tends to wobble a bit. But then at 5,000 rupees and for the graphics it offers, it does attract a few buyers.
And I can see it is also dot protected and also EC also, right?
Yes, it's a dot and EC protected because
Both.
as I told, the shell used in MT and Axer is the same. So by default it comes with the dot and EC rating.
And the padding is really good, yeah. Like,
Yeah,
I can actually
gets
sense it,
good,
yeah.
plush padding
Mhm.
and comes with a double D-ring locking system.
Anyone will go for a double D ring, definitely.
Yes.
So it comes with that,
Yes.
and also with double visors, also with pin lock. It comes with a ready pin lock or like pre-installed pin lock. Or?
It comes with a pre-installed pin lock.
Cool. And so the main thing, like the climax of the entire vlog, is the rate. You know. So what is the price range these helmets are going to fit into? You know.
So SMK helmets, like I told you, the range starts from 3,500, and then the other model goes to 4,000 and 4,300, and then we go to Axer, which comes in at 5,000. I only store the Apex model. I don't go for the Rage model because it's a older model and the shell is pretty. You can say it's an orthodox design. After that, we have Bilmola that comes in at 7,900, and the range topping helmet right now at my store is 8,200. That's the Bilmola Nex. And then we also have good budget helmets that come from Studs. You can see there are attractive graphics, and this helmet comes at 1,800 rupees. It's a ISI mark. Vega and Studs were one of the old companies, and in fact Vega manufactures Axer and Studs manufactures SMK in India. A lot of people don't know this.
Yeah, I still remember my dad using Studs helmet when I used to be in LKG or UKG. You know. That.
All of our dads know.